Hello, guys. Hope you are well. We are still continuing the multiple choice questions for banking part. For your benefit, at regular basis, we are selecting good questions and covering in such a way that you excel in your competitive examinations. We are trying your level best to put your studies on the track. Plus, the technology has made the things easy that you can read, understand, and practice these things anywhere on the walk, on the talk, in the market, in the zoo. It's possible. You are not required to carry. You can test yourself, you can learn yourself by looking the MCQs number of times as well. You can enhance your knowledge on the subjects. So, without wasting the time, let's go to the next question. We'll here again cover close to 20-30 questions, 20-25 questions for your benefit. Now, let's go to the next question. A system of security trade. A system of security trade in which one is allowed to invest in excess of his financial capacity by borrowing funds. A system of security trade in which one is allowed to invest in excess of his credit capacity by borrowing funds is called what? And the options are a margin trading, B cornering, C rigging, D arbitrage. The answer is margin trading. That means while trading in the stock market, the brokers are providing a certain margin over and above your capital invested. Suppose you have invested rupees 100 in the market and broker is giving 5 time leverage. So you can buy up to the value 500 from the market. Next question. Which of the following speculative transactions are unfair and prohibited? Which of the following speculative transactions are unfair and prohibited? And the options are margin trading, option deal, rigging, and arbitrage. The answer is rigging has been prohibited. Earlier in Harshad Mehta time, it was very much famous, but now it's been stopped. Next question. Which of the following is not a prohibited act in the security market? And the options are insider trading, price rigging, cornering, and margin trading. And the answer is margin trading is not prohibited. Insider trading, price rigging, and cornering is nowadays prohibited in the stock market. Next question. Dash is undertaken for making a dishonest claim for tax deduction. Dash is undertaken for making a dishonest claim for tax deduction. And the options are wash sales, B rigging, C cornering, D margin trading. The question dash is undertaken for making a dishonest claim for tax deduction. And the options are wash sale, price rigging, cornering, and margin trading. And the right answer is wash sales. Next question. Dash means temporary halt of trade in a stock exchange when index moves upward or downward beyond a specified limits. I repeat, dash means temporary halt of the trade in stock exchange when index moves upward or downward beyond the specified limits. And the options are laddering, A laddering, B cornering, C circuit breaking, B side by siding. And the right answer is circuit breaking. Next question. Unsecured debentures are also known as. Unsecured debentures are also known as, and the options are registered debentures, bearer debentures, naked debentures, collateral debentures. Unsecured debentures. What is the other name? How they are identified differently? The options are registered debentures, bearer debentures, naked debentures, and collateral debentures. And the right answer is naked debentures. Next question. Non-voting shares were introduced by companies amendment bills in this year, and the options are let's go to the question again. Non-voting shares are introduced by company bills in the year. Which year they are introduced? Okay, and the options are 1997, 1999, 2000, and 2002, and the right answer is 1997. Next question. In the case of dash bonds, the value is inversely related to short-term interest rates. In case of dash bonds, the value is inversely related to short-term interest rates, and the options are fixed rate bonds, inverse float bonds, perpetual bonds, and option bonds. And the right answer is inverse float bonds. The name itself, the answer is clear. Now, next question. D versus P system of for government security market means D versus P system of government securities market means the options are delivery and payment settlement, dividend and principal settlement, dollar and pound settlement, delaying and postponement. And the right answer is delivery and payment settlement. Next question. Non-banking financial institutions. Non-banking financial institutions NBFIs are registered under option A RBI Act, option B Banking Regulation Act, option C Companies Act, option D SEBI Act. And the right answer is Companies Act, because all the NBFCs are basically registered as a company. Next question. According to IFRS, the term financial asset includes, options are A. Cash and cash equivalent, B. Equity shares, C. Contractual right to receive cash, D. All the above. And the right answer is all the above. Next question. Which of the following is an example of primary or direct financial instruments? And the options are fixed deposit receipts, insurance policies, mutual fund unit, D. Debentures. I repeat the question. Which of the following is or are an example of primary or direct financial instruments? And the options are fixed deposit receipts, insurance policies, mutual fund unit, and debentures. And the right answer is debentures. Next question. Which of the following is an example of secondary or indirect financial instruments? And the options are equity shares, preference shares, post office savings deposits, D. Bonds. And the answer is post office saving deposit. Next question. A non-banking financial institutions option is can accept demand deposit, can issue checks to customers, cannot accept fixed deposit, cannot accept demand deposit, and cannot issue checks. Who? An NBFC, non-banking financial institutions. And what is the right answer? Actually, the NBFC cannot accept demand deposit and cannot issue checks. Next question. Kerala State Financial Enterprise Limited. Kerala State Financial Enterprise Limited, KSFE, is an example of, the options are banking institutions, investment institution, NBFI, and state level development banks. And the right answer is NBFI, non-banking financial institution. Next question. UTI, LIC, etc. are the example of banking institutions, investment institutions, NBFI, development banks. And the right answer is investment institutions. Hope you are enjoying. Go to the last, you will find a great gift for you. Next question. SFC is an example of. SFC is an example of option A, banking institutions, option B, investment institutions, option C, NBFI, option D, development institutions. And the right answer is development institutions. Now guys, let me tell you, please go to till the end of the video, and at the end of the video a surprise gift waiting for you. So please go and be patiently learn the things till the end. Now we'll go to the next question. Which of the following are not regulatory institutions? Which of the following are not regulatory institutions? And the options are RBI, SBI, SEBI, IRDA, IFCI. And the right answer is IFCI is not a regulatory organization. Next question. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? And the options are A. ADR, B. GDR, C. FDR, D. IDR. and the right answer is FDR. The question was, which of the following is not a negotiable instruments? Options were ADR, GDR, FDR, IDR, and the right answer is FDR, fixed deposit receipt. Now, next question. Follow-on public offer is also known as, follow-on public offer also known as, and the options are further public offer, seasoned public offer, subsequent public offer, and D, all of this. And the right answer is all of this. All of these are basically follow-on public offer. Next question. There is a term Ubermi fidei means, Ubermi fidei means, the options are indemnity, option B insurable interest, option C good faith, option D mitigation of loss, and the right answer is good faith. Let's go to the next question. Dash is the oldest insurance. Simple. Who is in India? Dash is the oldest insurance. The option is fire, life, marine, social. Which one is the oldest insurance? Fire insurance, life insurance, marine insurance, social insurance. Think history, old trades, marine. Marine insurance is the oldest insurance. Next question. In Dash, insurable interest is enough at the time of loss. In Dash, insurable interest is enough at the time of loss. And the options are fire insurance, life insurance, burglary insurance, marine insurance. The answer is marine insurance again. Next question. In life insurance, installment policy is also known as, in life insurance, installment policy is also known as Dash. And the options are annuity policy, option B endowment policy, option C whole life policy, option D lump sum policy. And the right answer is annuity policy. So let's take the question once again. In life insurance, installment policy is also known as annuity policy. Good. Next question. In insurance, causa proxima means, in insurance, causa proxima means, then the options are at most good faith, option B contribution, option C presents the cause of loss, option D closely connected to perils, and the answer is closely connected perils. Next question. Dash is a financial service which pooling risk of people. Dash is a financial service which pooling risk of people, and the options are mutual fund, option B venture capital, option C insurance, and option D all of this. Now you got the answer. The right answer is insurance. Next question. In India, insurance businesses are regulated by, who regulates the insurance business in India? And the options are IRBI, option B RBI, option C IRDA, and option D IRDP. So what is the right answer? IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Next question. Except life insurance, maximum term of other insurance is dash. Except life insurance, maximum term of other insurance is dash. And the answer is, the option is A 12 months, B 6 months, C 24 months, D 36 months. The answer is 12 months. Normally, except life insurance, all other insurance are being done for 12 months. But nowadays you can see some medical policies are also coming some more than 12 months. Next question. Central Office of Life Insurance Corporation of India is located at. Central Office of Life Insurance Corporation of India is located at option A New Delhi, option B Kolkata, option C Mumbai, option D Bangalore. The right answer is New Delhi. Next question. Native Stock and Share Brokers Association is the old name of Native Stock and Stock Broker Association, NSBA, the old name of A SEBI, B NSE, C BSE, none of these. The answer is BSE. So guys, we covered this series again. And I'm thankful to all of you for being with us and learning together. Definitely, you're going to get a big success in your life. My wishes are there. God is there. So, thank you so much. But now it's time of the gift. So, I'll say to get the gift, you need to go to the description box. You'll find a link. Click on the link and it will go to my web page. On the web page, there's some opportunities for you. I'll request go check, explore where these opportunities are fitting with you or not. But one thing is that this is the one Asia's largest and the best education platform or learning platform. So please take it very seriously, fill the forms on the website and grow ahead. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, share with the friends who are also uh, about to appearing the competitive examinations. Those these questions and studies are going to help them immensely. Thank you so much. God bless you.